Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish. Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a broom fish. Look at this. It is an eel.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a broomfish? Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye!
Yeah!